Want to instantly boost your website's trust and skyrocket conversions? Let's embed Google reviews into your Divi theme. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and hover over the plugin section. Then click Add New. In the search bar, type Google reviews. You'll see a variety of plugins. Choose one that's well rated and compatible with your version of WordPress. For example, widget for Google reviews. Click Install now and then activate the plugin. Now, find the plugin settings, usually located in the left-hand menu or under the Settings tab. You'll need to connect the plugin to your Google Business profile. Follow the plugin's instructions to authorize the connection, usually by entering your place ID. Next, open the page where you want to display the reviews in the Divi Builder. Add a new module, and then search for the plugin in the module search bar. In this case, it might be the Google Review plugin name. Customize the module settings. Choose the number of reviews to display, the layout style, and any theme options the plugin provides to match your website's design. Publish or update your page, and that's it. Your Google reviews are now beautifully integrated into your Divi theme, building trust and driving conversions.